Today's video is a little different because we have a massive announcement to make, and that is... Hey, what's happening? What's going on, YouTube? I hope your day is going great, wherever and whenever this is. So, today I traded for 31 minutes and I profited $114. First day recap of trading on BitMEX. Yesterday I deposited 0.1 Bitcoin. What that means for this channel is that going forward, I won't be covering any crypto content anymore. Futures is the way to go. So I'm going to be making content on futures from here on out. So at the end of 2017, I also started this YouTube channel in order to document what I was learning, and what I'm trading are the Nasdaq futures and the crude oil futures. And I've been doing this for about 6 months now, and I still work at 9 to 5. When I take trading full time, which fingers crossed is by the time I turn 25, that's my goal. I'll be exclusively trading futures most likely. Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. Today's video is a little different than normal because it is a big announcement video. And that announcement is that I am now officially a full-time day trader. This is so fun to say for me. It has been a long time coming. Thousands of hours of work have been put into me being able to say this phrase, and I couldn't be more excited, thankful, and grateful. You know, it's crazy to think about my journey to getting to this point, being an 18-year-old, learning about the stock market, to moving into penny stocks for a little bit, trading that for several months, losing tons of money, then moving into crypto when I was 22, starting this YouTube channel so that I could become a better day trader by documenting my trades with crypto and Bitcoin, to 23, learning about what futures were and realizing, you know, if I want to do this seriously and full time, this is probably the best avenue to do it. And then really going hard from that point on, of realizing, you know, like, it's going to take a lot of hours, a lot of grind, but I can do this, and just telling myself I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, to now being 25 and officially doing it. I'm now a full-time trader. It's so fun to say. It doesn't get old. It doesn't super feel real yet, but it's crazy. I mean, I have been working a full-time job ever since graduating college. This most recent job was a project manager at a firm here in Austin, and just grinding, doing 60, 70-hour weeks while trying to trade and do YouTube stuff. And so my encouragement to you is that if this is something that you want to do it, but be willing to put in the time and the effort. But it is totally manageable, and it's obtainable. So you just got to go out there, put in the work, get excited, be motivated, be willing to bounce back after you get slapped down over and over again, and do it. I'm officially done with that project management role. No longer putting any of my time into that. I'm fully putting all of my time into trading and this YouTube channel. So it's exciting to be able to take my part-time hobbies and my passions and transforming them into my life now. So what does that mean going forward? It means we are going to be live streaming still for free every morning, Monday through Friday at 8:30 Central for the market open, our futures sessions here on YouTube. We won't have to leave the sessions early to go to meetings or anything like that. We are trading and streaming full time. So that's super exciting. So subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so you can watch those live trading sessions if you are into day trading. It means this YouTube channel is on the run for bigger and better things because we're able to focus more time into it. And lastly, it just means like I have more free time at the end of the day, which is amazing. It's going to come with its own obstacles, obviously, like life does. But I'm just excited and grateful. And I do owe a big thank you to many of the viewers out there who I chat with on the daily, who have helped me become a more profitable and better day trader through your critiques, your feedbacks, your trade ideas, your analysis ideas that have all affected me in some capacity. So thank you. And overall, just I'm excited, I'm pumped to be able to do this and to take you along on this next journey with me. It's just crazy to think, you know, just screen recording my crypto days to now doing it full time is just awesome. So very excited. That's it for this video. I will see you on the next one. Again, make sure to come hang out on the live streams every morning, Monday through Friday, starting at market open 8:30 Central. And I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.